it sound cute, put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Well, I guess that's what happens.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling this beautiful wig that was sent to me by Wiggins hair. So it is a 16-inch 13x4 Bodywave bob. It's supposed to be a bob, but I thought it was quite long for a bob. So it came in this bag. It came with the edge brush, the headband, as well as some lashes and a wig cap. I don't think this little clip that I took here does it any justice, but out of the pack the wig was very beautiful. It's very thick, shiny, great color, and it is a 180 density, so it's quite thick and really good quality. So I did go ahead and bleached the knot. I started off by mixing a 40 volume developer with some powdered bleach, and as you can see here, I sped up the video. I did apply the bleach. I made sure that it's a good consistency, that it's gonna bleach without bleaching through the hair, if you know, or seeping through the hair, if you know what I mean. So I covered the bleach once applied to the lace with a foil so that it can process, and waited about 20 to 30 minutes, and then washed it off with purple shampoo, put a little bit of lavender so that it can smell really good. And here I had already started with the applying process. I start off by applying some foundation on my wig cap so that it could match my skin color, and of course I didn't do the bulk scalp method. I just went ahead and put on my wig because I wanted this to go by really quickly. So I started by measuring the wig to my head, making sure that it fits perfectly. And of course I am a small cap size. I think it's about 21.5 inches circumference, so it fit really good. It wasn't too snug and it wasn't too big on my head. So I went ahead and applied my glue. And of course the glue that I used here is the Bold Hold Active. I used about 2 layers, drying them simultaneously with a small fan, and I think the wig stayed on for about 1 week until I wanted to remove it, so it has a pretty good hold. And here I am positioning the wig on my desired hairline, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And as you can see here, basically I didn't plug off any knots. I didn't plug the wig. I just basically put it on as it came out of the shop, I guess you'd say. And here I'm just cutting off the excess lace as well so that it fits perfectly on my head. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it comes already pre-plugged, so you don't need to do much. I just bleach the knots because I'm extra and I like to bleach my knots all the time, but you honestly do not need to bleach it or plug the knots if you don't know how to do it, because it already looks pretty natural.
Keep it real, only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall in love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah.
I just want to say that this hair is really good, and this is my honest opinion. I've received quite a bit of hair from wig companies, and I've bought a fair share of hair on online shops, especially AliExpress, and I think this is probably the best wig I've received so far in terms of the density, the color, the wig cap, it actually fits in my head perfectly. So you guys should really check out Wiggins hair. I will have all the details on my description, and I will have the link directly to this hair and also their other hair that they provide on their website. So please check them out. If you're trying to buy yourself a new wig, I would definitely recommend this one. The density of the hair is really generous. It's really good. This is 180 density, but I didn't feel like the hair was suffocating me. But at the same time, it's not thin. The wig is very flowy, even though I washed it a couple of times.
Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can.
It's bouncy, the color is nice. Just check out wiggins.com, you guys. I'll have all the details on my description, and I will have a discount code as well on my description, so you can get some money off if you do purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm just going to leave the voiceover right here and play music for the rest of the video. Please do continue to watch until the end so that you can see my end result. Do give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell me what you think, and I will see you guys on my next video. Oh, and by the way, I did burn myself a couple of times on my forehead, and I was really upset about that, but you know what, it's all worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Tracy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah.
Work. Watch it to me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, in the cafe, try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the race. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Watch to me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You tell me I feel work. You see me do my dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way, you know see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I